Guys, PMHK here obviously. So yesterday as I went and watched, I was catching up on my anime. I like watching anime. So as I went and catch up on my animes, I turned on my Apple TV and I realized, or I saw that the Apple TV now supports DSTV, or DSTV is now available on the Apple TV. So in this video I wanted to show you guys how you can actually get it and how you can make it work. And from what I read, actually this morning when I woke up, I saw an email. I got an email notification from apple.com or my iStore. Let me check which okay, from iStore. So I got an email from the iStore, South Africa iStore, saying that you can now watch Apple TV directly on Apple TV. You can now watch DSTV directly on your Apple TV, and they'll go further on to explaining what does this mean. It means that you can use your Apple TV to enable dual view, so you can watch on your decoder and on your Apple TV. By the way, I canceled my DSTV. It's been almost a year and a half now, but it says here that you can use your Apple TV as a second decoder, perfect for traveling. There are also even free channels. I think this is one of the features that actually is gonna get me to go and install it. Actually, I put it to install already yesterday, but I'm gonna go and actually try it out. Somebody's banging the music in the living room. So I'm gonna go and try it out and show you guys how you can actually do this. So the other feature that they explain here is that you can also link it to your premium subscription. So if you have a premium subscription, you're gonna be able to watch it directly on a DSTV. But you need to remember that you're gonna need a very stable internet connection. If you have fiber, an uncapped fiber line, that will be the perfect way for you to do this. If you obviously still have DSTV, but overall, I'm glad that they finally jumped into the bandwagon. But let's go and try it out. Actually, let's go. Forgot my phone. So for you guys to be able to do this, you're gonna need obviously the Apple TV, and you're going to need a proper account. Or also, if you want to take full advantage of the DSTV on the Apple TV, you're also gonna need a premium subscription. But I'm going to try and do it free without a premium subscription. Hopefully it will work. So I already put the actual application to download yesterday. As you guys can see, it says open. So if you guys don't have it downloaded, there where it says open, it's gonna say download obviously, and then it should be on my main screen somewhere outside this. So let me go back home, and there's DSTV now is right there. So let's see what it says. So it says DSTV now. To start using DSTV now, go to now@dstv.com.tv and enter this code. So I obviously, my handy iPhone here always next to me. I'm gonna try and go to that address and see what it will prompt me to do. So I need to go to, so you're gonna I've been on my phone already for maybe 10 minutes trying to figure this thing out. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna have to create a free account on the DSTV Now app. So you either log in or you register. So I chose the login option and I register with my old account, which mine is linked with the DSTV, but I don't think you're gonna need to have an actual DSTV for you to try this thing out. So let me put the code on the screen on the phone and we'll take it from there. And then I sign in on TV. It's gonna connect, automatically connected. So this is probably a free account because my premium account hasn't been paid, as I said, for almost 1 year. So this should be it. So we can go to live TV. This is probably the channels that are going to be showing right now. So you have real time, this is people, weather, you have sports as well, you have channel low. I think these are the channels that you're going to be able to watch them now live. So what is this? This is what's gonna show up next on the channels on top. So these are the channels that you can watch for free. Not that many, but it's already something. So what else can you do? Let me go back to, you have home, you have catch up, and you have search. So on your home you have what has been just added to your own queue. I feel like this is basically like watching TV on the TV, But what I mean by watching TV on a TV is obviously you can watch the TV with the TV signal, like the SABC channels, SABC1, SABC2, and so forth. But obviously you're going to be watching it over the internet using your Apple TV. This would actually be much better if you could have access to most of the channels that you have access to on a premium subscription. But a premium subscription, last time I checked, was around 800 Rand, which is quite much. So I'm not planning to actually register this. I just wanted to show you guys that it's already working on your DSTV. I mean, it's already you're working on your Apple TV. If you have the DSTV, if you want to watch the DSTV on your living room. So to be honest, I was actually expecting to see more on a free account, on a free subscription, but yeah, for now I'm just glad DSTV is catching up with times, and they released their application on the media platform. Previously, the only other smart box or media box that had DSTV now was the one from Telkom, the Telkom Lite package or what's or not. But those things, for you to be able to get those, you need to be on a Lite contract. So you have to be on a contract to buy a media streaming or a TV box, which is really insane. No other services are like that. This is gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, obviously give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, obviously give it a thumbs down, and remember to let me know why you didn't like the video, and I will catch you guys on my next one. Let me try and play something for you guys to see that it actually plays. So what can we play? Let's go to catch up, episode 35. Let's go to episode 1. Do you have episode 1 here? No, it starts from 26. That's one thing I hate about this DSTV now. I don't know if it's their servers that are not capable enough for them to store all the episodes. This is normally what you get from 26 to 35. So let's try 26. We're sorry, you have reached your device limit, which is 4 on your account. To watch DSTV now on this device, please go to setting, manage, and remove device. So I need to remove one of my devices from my devices list. You can only watch up to 4 devices, unfortunately, so I can watch on here. I need to go and remove one of the devices from my account, but I'm not going to be doing that in this video. Obviously, if you guys want to see that, let me know down in the comments, but I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.